Today we are learning nature names, so let's start it. Mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain, and this is mountain. Ocean, O-C-E-A-N, ocean, and this is ocean. Lakes, L-A-K-E-S, lakes, and this is lakes. Forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest, and this is forest. Waterfalls, W-A-T-E-R-F-A-L-L-S, waterfalls, and this is waterfalls. Desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert, and this is desert. Beach, B-E-A-C-H, beach, and this is beach. Cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud, and this is cloud. Sun, S-U-N, sun, this is sun. Sun give us light and also vitamin D. Moon, M-O-O-N, moon, we see moon in the light. Stars, S-T-A-R-S, stars. Hills, H-I-L-L-S, hills, and this is hills. Snow, S-N-O-W, snow, and this is snow. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share.